Did you know? There are sounds coming from the ocean that no one has ever been able to explain. Deep beneath the surface, scientists placed underwater microphones called hydrophones. They expected whales, earthquakes, machines. Instead, they heard things that didn't match anything. Low rumbles, sudden booms, long, slow whistles echoing through the deep. Some of these sounds were so disturbing scientists gave them names because they had no other way to describe them. They don't behave like animals, they don't move like tectonic plates, and they don't sound mechanical. Even worse, some of these sounds appear once and are never heard again. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet. Most of it has never been explored, so the question isn't why we hear these sounds. The question is, what's making them, and why we're not supposed to find it.